I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs. Hey everybody, check this out. Zach painted the motor last week, and today's Monday, and it is in along with the transfer case. Looking good. Guess what's next? Body starts to go on. Looking really, really good. All right, here we go. I'm good here?
Good? We might want to put something like heavy up front or something on the floor. It's pretty.
Yeah, there's a lot of weight hanging out of that.
There you go.
And the body is coming down. The body is on the frame.
Up here for number 2. Number 1 got just a bigger bowl.
Oh yeah.
Looking good.
Putting the final assembly on the 1971 GMC Jimmy. They bought a small block Chevy 350. Beautiful built engine. Should have more horsepower than they ever will need. Putting in a new thermostat, putting on a new water pump. The valve covers, because it has roller rockers on it, are taller than normal. We actually had to grind this back corner fin off to get it to clear, and it clears only by 1/8 of an inch, so that's pretty tight. But anyway, the frame is together, brake lines are in, body is on. It's been a long time off. Went down really nice. But basically what we're doing is putting things back together, and we're going in the right direction. But we're gonna have to put some bigger tires on it. Right now there are 31s, and this has a 2-inch body lift, and it seems like it's a hell of a lot more than 2 inches. But you know, that's what it was supposed to be. So new springs in the front, new springs in the rear. Basically, it's gonna be a 1971 vehicle, but all new.